Karts. On the pole at across timbers will be the number 17 of Race Mitchell. To his outside will be a third generation driver out of Lebanon in the number 65, that's Kart. And starting tailback on the field also out of Lebanon in the 18J, Jordan Wright. 12 laps will be the feature number 2 for your rookie flat division. Race Mitchell had a real nice round 1 and 2. Here they come out of 4 and no start. Whoa, 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 boys. There we go. Outside front row getting a little bit of a jump. Want them side by side when they roll them through 3 and 4. The kids are antsy to get out there to compete here this evening. Glad you fans here early with us this evening. Round number 3, round number 4 will be tomorrow night. And of course, we appreciate our fine people in the military, active and retired, on hand with us here. Here they come. No, not going to do it yet. Get them side by side. Here we go. Carter will go to the outside of Race Mitchell. There we go. Let's see if they can get a chance now. And Tony Wright, they had some problems during the practice this afternoon. Been working feverishly to get that cart back and right. All right, here we go. Third time will be a charm. Mitchell, Jackson, and Wright, your field for feature number 2 for the rookie flat cart division. Here we go, lights going off at the flag stand. Oh. Looks like Wright having just a little bit of problem keeping his cart going. There we go. Well, usually that means one thing. They're going to go from a dead start. Hold them right there. The kids are antsy. They're anxious. Mitchell's the man that's going to set the pace for the race in that beautiful blue and white 17. Jackson, he's wanting to get that high groove start. All right. They'll look at green flag out. Here we go. And Mitchell jumps to the early lead. Wright's going to tuck right in behind him as they come down for lap number 1. Race Mitchell with Jordan Wright. Oh, talk about a little bit of contact. Jordan Wright giving Race Mitchell all he can handle here early. Meanwhile, Mitchell still looking strong. Carter Jackson got a slow start on that restart now as he tries to wind it up on the outside. It's Mitchell, Wright, and now Jackson making a charge. Wright all over Mitchell as they go door to door coming out of 4. Little contact, they both get back on the gas. Halfway this time. Wright determined he can run Mitchell down. Mitchell nice and smooth. Oh, Wright doing the agricultural racing as he cuts it through the infield and loses a lot of ground. Race Mitchell now all by himself out in front as the caution will fly. And Carter Jackson having problems in the 65. Seven complete, 5 to go. Whoa, ow. Not bumper carts. Remember, these are first-year drivers. These youngsters know one thing, let's go fast. 7 complete, 5 to go. It's still Mitchell. Right now gets a little bit of a break, as does Jackson, and green flag is out from the standstill start, Le Mans style. Mitchell and Wright coming down the front stretch. Wright, swings it high and wide. Not gonna happen, and he's determined to keep it rolling as the yellow will come out now. All right, let's slow that leader down. Mitchell will now find Carter Jackson on his bumper. Jordan Wright will tag to the rear, bringing out our caution flag. 4 laps left to go in this feature, number 2 for the kids. Here we go, green out, and Mitchell gets a nice start that time. Mitchell brings him down. Jackson and Wright continuing to have their battle. Little action back there in that battle for second. A lot of action going on there for that number 2 spot. Meanwhile, Race Mitchell will be looking at the white flag with only 1 more lap to go. Mitchell, nice and smooth, heads him out of 4 to take feature number 2 for the rookie flat division. Miller's Body Shop, the sponsors on that blue and white number 17. Close to home, Cross Timbers, Missouri. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would please, the winner of round number 3 for your rookie flats in feature 2, give him a big round of applause, Race Mitchell.
Box stock Predator Light 320, be coming to the stage, blue rookie after that.
All right, that'll bring up our next feature of the evening. It's the Clone Super Heavy 400. 15